YouTube monetization policy is becoming more tighter as days goes by. That is why I always keep advising each and every one of you to get monetized as quick and as fast as you can. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about the new YouTube monetization policy that has actually been flying, and I have not updated you guys. And you guys know that any new updates that I get, I definitely need to update you guys. So let's talk about it. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do it to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Now, for those of you that don't know how the monetization work, if you have 3,000 subscribers, 3,000 watch hour, and 500 subscribers, you can be able to do the half part of the monetization, where your super chats, your super stickers, your membership, your shopping, and then your super thanks will actually be activated on YouTube. Now, if you have the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, that is where you're going to be getting the full monetization, where ads will start running on your channel. And once ads are running on your channel, you know that definitely you're going to be making more money, right? Now, before you can get these 3 stages monetized, when YouTube tell you to apply for monetization, you first of all need to follow the 3 stages, which is stage number 1 of accepting the YouTube terms, rules, and regulations. Stage number 2 of linking your channel with a Google AdSense. Like, you have to link your YouTube channel with a Google AdSense. And stage number 3, getting your channel reviewed, where YouTube personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what you are doing. If you don't have any reduced content, if you don't have any violation, then they go ahead to tell you, welcome to the YouTube partnership program. But now when you welcome to the YouTube partnership program, that is when the job starts, because that particular Google AdSense that you link, you need to verify it. And if you do not verify it, you're not going to be having your money down to your account. And that is where the new changes and the new updates it is coming from. Now, in verifying it, you need to first of all have $10, which is all your, right from the day you're monetized, you need to your money needs to accumulate up to $10. Once you have $10, automatically it will be popped up in your AdSense and it will say verify your address. And for you to be able to verify your address, you have 3 months for you to do this. You understand? Now, for you to verify, YouTube is personally going to mail you your PIN that you can actually use that particular mail, that PIN, to put into your Google AdSense for your channel setting and everything, so that you can put in your local bank account where they are actually going to be sending your money down to your local bank account. Now, in the aspect of identity verification, initially you can use someone's face or you can use someone's identity. Take, for example, I want to use my husband's information. I can use my husband's information to be able to, like, do my Google AdSense identity verification, and it is going to be successful. But recently, one of the most viral news that has been flying is, if you want to now do the verification, you have to now do it with your face. That is what I'm saying. It's becoming strict, it's becoming tighter every single day. You have to now do it with your face. You have to now put your face for it to be able to scan. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, I don't know how AdSense is actually rolling this out yet, because even as at 2 days ago, we actually did someone identity verification and we used that person international passport to do the identity verification. So I don't know if this is for parts of some countries or this is for general public. That is why I'm just putting it out here, so that you guys already have it in your head, like you have it in mind. You understand? Because I know that a lot of people might have been seeing the update and they are confused. So for now, I don't want you to panic. You can still verify with your identity. But if there is any chance and they are rolling this out gradually, we will definitely get to know. But that is one of the things that is trending right now, that most of the identity that people are going to be using to do their identity verification is you carrying your phone like one-on-one. And for me, I feel like that's not on the fair side, right? Like, it is not on the fair side, because why would AdSense just decided to do that out of the blues? But that is why you need to prepare for the worst. You just have to prepare for the worst days, as far as I'm concerned, so that whenever it happens, you are just going to fit in. Now, for those ones that will be having, maybe you're duplicating your content, like using the same content to do restream, or using the same content to relive your stream, because recently I noticed that a lot of people are doing that, or you are uploading the same content twice on your channel, or uploading people's content. See, anything that will link you to have reused content, you have to run away from it, honestly. Because if you do not run away from it, you are not going to be joining the YouTube monetization policy. Like, they are going to reject you, like, down to your face. You understand? That is why, as it stands right now, because of the environment is becoming more tighter and everybody needs to be very, very careful. You need to make sure that those contents you're uploading are your content. You need to also go into your restreams, your restream content, your live content to check one after the other. If you mistakenly use one video twice or three times, it might lead you not to get your channel monetized. Like the channel we did, for the monetization we did for one of my friend last month, which is one of my people I'm coaching last month. What really happened that her monetization was rejected? We found out that she used the same videos for her restream, and guys, we applied, it was not going through, and they have to give us extra 1 month, and that is really frustrating. So I do not want you to get frustrated, and if you don't want to get frustrated on this YouTube street, do not duplicate content. Now after the 1 month, we came back again, and then we have to now trace the content and delete it. We'll find out that some of our channel is having 2 videos that she re-uploaded. And guys, guess what? The moment we deleted all of those contents, boom, we apply and it was successful. But now, this is the thing. Just imagine that those videos that you are about to delete from your channel, those videos are videos that have your watch hour. The moment you delete them, it becomes a problem. That is why you even need to do everything. You need to stay guided and ensure that your YouTube account do not have anything violating YouTube policy, so that when it comes to monetization, it is going to be easy, quick, and sweet. You understand? I love it when I come to monetize your channel, and at the end of the day, as I'm just clicking it, it's accepting. Because by the time we start waiting for 1 month, 2 months, it gets bored. You understand what I'm trying to say? So get all your documents as well intact, which is your driver's license or your international passport or your voter's card. Get your NIN, get your BVN, get your TIN, which is your tax identification number, and make sure your name is in line. Like I will always say, if it's Faith Emmanuel, it should be Faith Emmanuel. It should not be switched to Emmanuel Faith. When they say you should sign, which is where you're going to be seeing your signature, make sure you're going to be putting the same name. Your bank account that you're going to be creating, if you haven't, make sure it is also in line with the same name, so that AdSense will not reject your verification. See, I'm just saying get them intact, right? So that if it is time for you to use those ones, you will use them. And if, as at the point of you monetizing, AdSense now said you're going to be using your face, you can now go ahead and use your face for the verification. Anyways, I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't even know what to do, you don't even know how to do it, you don't even know how to go about it, this is where Vibration I personally come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. All you need to do is to send us a mail at 503-195@gmail.com, which is the mail that you're seeing displaying on your screen, or you can check the description. The mail is there, or you check our link in the bio. The mail is also there. Send us a mail and tell us that you need us to personally check what is happening and what is not happening. Okay. Now, if you are in Port Harcourt, Enugu, you are in Owerri, which is Imo State, you are in Delta State, any of the state that is close to Port Harcourt, we are having what is called Port Harcourt Hangout, which is going to be taking place on the 29th of June 2025. This is where we come, meet, talk, gist, and also love each other. Anyways, if you want to join or you want to be among those ones that will be coming for the Port Harcourt Hangout, all you need to do is to say Port Harcourt Hangout, and then you drop your WhatsApp number. We're going to be adding you up to the WhatsApp group, so that at the end of the day, we're going to be achieving success. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned. I love you.